Hello, may I speak with Luis?
Yeah, this is him.
Hi, Luis. My name is Jacob. Calling you here regarding your property at 1250 Main Street. You're still the owner, am I right?
Yes, I
Uh,
am.
Great. I was just trying to check here with you if you have any interest into selling this property here for the right cash offer. Would you be interested?
You know what? Yeah, I can hear what you guys have to offer.
Great, but just let me ask you first, like, do you have a price range in mind or a number you previously looking for?
Well, actually, I do. I do have. I'm thinking about $300,000 because it has a couple of things it's gotta
Okay.
renew. So
Okay, great. So for you, just let me ask you if we're able to meet you at the 300,000 you're looking
mm,
for. May I ask how soon would you be able to close the deal?
within the next 3 months, I think it'll be a good time.
3 months. Okay, that's great. So let me just confirm here a couple info about the property. So this one here still 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bath.
Yes, that is correct.
Amazing. And like, did you make any major or minor repairs to the property and within the past 5 years? Anything like roof foundation or HVAC?
We changed the roof, and actually that was 3 years ago, and we also changed the HVAC 3 years
All right.
ago too. Yeah.
All right. So like a 3 years old roof and HVAC system.
Yeah, technically, yeah, because it was about the
Gr-
same time.
Great, great. And have you made any like upgrades to the property within the last 3 to 5 years?
Well, not really, just a little backyard. We put some grass and stuff, but no, not really.
All right.
You know, we
Nothing
have
major, I
we
mean.
have to work on the doors, we have to work on the windows because like the frames are
Okay.
bad, and there's
All
still
right.
a couple of things, like the table, the counters, pretty much we have to change them.
All right.
So yeah, that's what we have.
Okay, doors and windows, you said mainly.
Yeah, there's a lot of broken windows just because they came in, kind of broke in the house.
All right, that's fine. And let me just ask you, right, by the way, if you have any kind of a lien or mortgage on this one.
I do not actually have. I'm
So
I'm, I'm
it's
clean on it. Yeah.
paid off, you mean?
Yeah.
Great, that's good. And but right now, is it occupied by yourself or a tenant, or is it vacant?
It's vacant.
It's vacant. Okay,
Yeah.
and just let me ask you, Louise, aside from me calling you today, would you have any other reason for selling this property?
Not really. Just, I was actually thinking about that, just to sell it, get rid of it.
Okay, all right. So, like some kind of a downsizing, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So let me just recap here some basic information with you. So, and yeah, by the way, just before I forget right here, do you try to list the property in the market or with a realtor or something?
No, I haven't. Just, I could do it
It's
myself.
not.
Yeah.
Oh, sure, yeah, fair enough. And yeah, I was just about to recap some basic information. The full address is going to be 1250 Main Street in
Mhm.
Los Angeles, California, 70112. Am I
Ye-
correct?
yes, that's correct.
Great. And the full name would be Luis Pineda. That's right.
Yes.
Great. And then this is like the best number to reach you at, the one here ending with 0465.
That is correct.
Amazing. So what I just need to do now, I will just get back to my team so we can do a few more research. I'm a manager, of course, will call you back as soon as possible. But let me ask you, a daytime or nighttime is best time to reach you out, please?
It's better at this time, it's around afternoon. It's 6 p.m. right here.
Afternoon. Okay, sounds great. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Lee, for your time. I really do appreciate it, and we're looking forward to speak to you very soon. Okay,
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you,
thank you.
Jacob.
Have a good day. Bye
You
bye.
too. Bye.